Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car comes with a 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower and a 6-speed manual gearbox. Outside the car you've got full LED headlights, there's 18-inch alloy wheels, the black roof. You also get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree reversing camera. Inside the car you've got the 8-inch touchscreen. Now this features 3D navigation as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. And some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, get automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car really is packed full of some great tech. There's also lane positioning assistance, blind spot detection, speed limit recognition, and the car can even call emergency services if you're in an accident. So if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.